Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did a fun little breakfast for you. It's a edible ham and cheese bowl is what I call it. I'll start off by dicing up my fillings for it, my ham, my onion, and then I'll take the top of the pepper and I'll use it and cut it up as well. And then I'll take all of those and put them in a little cast iron skillet and start them cooking off on the stove so I can get them kind of cooked through, so when I mix it in with my eggs they'll be fully cooked when I put it in the oven. So you'll see here I throw it in my little skillet just to start that cooking process, and then I'll mix up my egg with some cheese, throw a little salt, pepper, and garlic powder in that mixture. And then once my filling gets done, mix it in with my eggs, put it in my pepper, and then I'll put it in the oven at 350 for about 35 to 45 minutes. And then take it out, let it cool a little bit, and enjoy. Anyways, I love y'all. I'll catch you on the next one.